Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Gina. Today I'll be showing you how to make beans and sweet potato porridge. All the ingredients needed for this recipe are beans, sweet potato, crayfish powder, onion, seasoning cube, salt, smoked fish, and palm oil. I started by picking the beans, that is, removing stones and any possible dirt from the beans. I washed the beans, added it to my pot, added water, and ensured that the beans is properly cooked. I ensured to sieve out the first water after the beans has boiled, so as to remove the first water to prevent chest bone. Yeah, this is me showing you how soft the beans is. Then I set it aside. I went ahead to peel my sweet potatoes, washed the sweet potato, added it to my pot, added water, added salt so that it can be cooked. The potato is done, so I added the cooked beans to the sweet potato. I added my chopped onion. I added my roughly blended pepper and onion. I added seasoning cube, crayfish powder, palm oil, and I also added smoked fish. Mixed so that everything can be properly combined. I left the pot opened so that the water can evaporate, and I occasionally stir the food so that it will not get burnt. Beans and potato porridge should look. So when you try yours, occasionally stir, do not cover the pot. So yeah, my sweet potato and beans porridge is ready. If this is the first time of coming across my video, kindly subscribe please. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share the video with your friends, your families, your colleague. Subscribing is free. You will not be charged to subscribe. When you subscribe, you will see more of my food recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate. If you have any recipe you want me to make, kindly leave it in the comments and I will do it to make it. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking the video, and thank you also for subscribing. Bye.